Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can delete the messenger chat. So first of all, open your messenger app and then make sure you are already logged into your messenger account. Now to delete a particular chat, you can open the conversation and then select the chat you want to delete by long pressing on the chat like this. So once you long press on the chat, you will see a pop-up at the bottom of the screen where you will see your option with more. Tap on it. Now tap on remove option and you can unsend this, and this will also delete the chat. Or if you want to delete the entire chat, go back and again long press on the chat, and then you will see your option with delete. Tap on delete, and that's how your chat will be deleted. Or you can also swipe left and then tap on more option, again tap on delete, and that's how you can delete a chat on messenger or delete the entire chat on messenger. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.